set to gold. TA with T.I. Joey bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy. Here we go. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, bingo bango. Let's do this. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make some money with Trade Academy, with T.I. Joe, Trade Intuition. Now, of course, this Trade Academy is brought to you by Piper Academy Network. So we basically show you how to trade on this segment of the network. All right, guys, we got some coins coming down. Why are they coming down? Well, because they went up already. It's literally that simple. Price go up, price go down. Price go down, price go up. Unless it's a rug pull. So hopefully no rug pulls. No rug pulls. Come on. Come on. All right, guys. So definitely let me know the coins you want me to do. We will get those squared away for you. And of course, super chats, they always have priority over the other coins that are called out. But get those in the chat and we will look at those for you. We'll let you know if they're ready to trade, if you need to just set an alert. And then if there is a trade, well, then we give you the targets and the stop loss. This is probably by far the absolute easiest way to make money, in my opinion. Now, none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. We show you how to trade. We give you so much alpha on this network. It's crazy. We go over, of course, what's going on in the market. We go over what's going on in the economy. We go over crypto news. There's something for everybody on this network, and I'm very happy that you guys are here. Of course, always smash the like. I do appreciate that. I was in a long, of course, I have my own channel, Trade Intuition, and we went live at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. But today we went live and I got into a DJ play. It was a 50x leverage and we were going long. The long was doing good until just recently, maybe like 2 minutes prior to the show. So it started coming down, breaking below a level I didn't like. It was doing really nice. And it started coming down, breaking a level I didn't want it to break. And I said, instead of looking at it and kind of going back and forth, I just closed it. So we might enter that one again. Again, 50x leverage, a little bit of money, just kind of play around. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. We have Crypto Candy in the house. Crypto Candy is first. What's going on, my friend? What is going on? Yes, let's go. Pipe it up. T.I. Joe. Let's go, guys. Of course, definitely smash the like. That's free and it's easy to do. Let's see here. Duality Crypto. Hello, everybody. STL Coin. What's going on, my man? What is going on? DI. And we got Harp. Got Harp in the house. Very good. We got Robert. So happy you guys are here. Once again, this channel is dedicated to helping you make money. We are going to make so much money this bull run. It's crazy. We're going to be the voice of reasoning in your ear. Sell, sell, take profit, take profit. We really are. So if you're ready to make some money, guys, if you're ready to make some money, definitely smash that like. Let people know about this network. All right. So right now we're looking at these coins and not doing so good at the moment. Pretty soon, all these are going to be double digit green. Whenever we're looking on the hourly time frame, just give it a little bit more time. It's going to get crazy. We have QNT 3.6, boring. Neo 0.8, boring. Sui 0.7, boring. Where's the excitement? Well, let's go to daily. Daily is green. We got Mog with 56.8%. Get out of here, Mog. Literally, get out of here. Get out of here. Look at that. Mog is clearing the way, making his own path in the crypto space. We have DYDX. Now, if your coin has not moved, don't worry, it will. Your coin will move. It's just a matter of time. Now, it just depends if you're able to hold it long enough. DGB, what's that, Digibyte? Somebody was asking about Digibyte like a week or two ago. And that's exactly my point. That's exactly my point. For these coins, you're going to see them eventually move up. If you're in a coin and it's kind of doing bad, and your stop loss has not been hit, well, you might want to add to your entry once you start seeing it bounce on a lower time frame. Now, what you're doing is you're reducing your point of entry. So let's just say your point of entry is here, and you're down 40%. Well, hopefully you don't have your stop loss that low. Let's say you're down 12%. Your stop loss is at 15, 17%. And so instead of being down 12%, you add to your entry on the bounce. Don't just add because it's low. On a bounce, well, now you reduced your entry level from up here to here. And now instead of being down 12%, now you're down only 6%, 4%. And as soon as it comes up, you're in profit. Versus having to wait for it to come all the way up here to be in profit. All right. With that being said, let's go ahead and look at the liquidation heat map. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Make sure I'm not in the way. I should not be in the way. Nope, I'm perfect. All right, so this is on the 24-hour time frame, and we do have, let's see here. I forget how to do this. I'm gonna extend it a little bit more. So what I'm doing, y'all can't see it, is there's a little slider bar down here. I'm getting this and just sliding over. That way it shows me more zoomed in. I don't believe it has it on this side. Maybe here, no. But anyway, that's what I was doing. So right now, oh man, I should open my short. I was so tempted to open a short. Let me see. So it's coming down. This right here is what I saw. You know, I was in profit. I actually entered way back over here, and it was doing good. You know, 50x leverage coming down, no problem. I think I added to my entry right around here. And then it was doing good and it started coming down. And then here I was at a negative area. And I was like, eh. But right now it's breaking below this, coming down. I think I want to open a short. So I'm going to do a short. It's going to be a little bit of money. We'll do $20 for the short. And then I'm going to have a really tight stop loss. 101.3. I don't know if I can remember all that. Oh, what's going on? Oh, so this one you can just type it in here. Oh, so let me do. That's gonna be a really tight. I'm probably gonna get stopped out too. So 1 second. Let me think about this. Ideally, it should be up here. This is my level that I'm looking at. Give me some coins, guys. Give me some coins. If not, you're just gonna see me get wrecked. Save me, guys, save me. So this was our support resistance area. Right now it's underneath it, but it faked us out already. It's probably going to come up here. It's probably going to do this and then come down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an entry right here. And I could be completely wrong, but this will be my entry. We'll do it a yellow, I guess. Let's see here. Well, first, let me just do this. And I'm guessing like that. Okay, I'm in my short. I'm going to add to my short up here. Liquidation is 109. So far away, man. I got plenty of time. Oh, I'm doing market. That's why it looked different. Dang it. I didn't mean to do market, but it's okay though. Here, I'll do the limit. I thought it looked different. 101.373. 0.8. Why not? And this one, how much do I have in this trade? Oh, so let me go ahead and show you. Let me show you that. There you go. So it just popped up on the screen. And let's see here. Is this doing a higher bid? So my margin I have is $20. So if it goes up there, I'll do another 20. Okay. Because I am thinking it's going to come down. Just because it broke this level, it's coming up here, coming up here. You know, it didn't bounce on this area. Now, if it would have bounced on this area, then I'd be like, okay, maybe it's going to come up now. But since it broke below this area, so what it really needs to do, it needs to break this. It needs to break this level in order for me to say, okay, this is a great short. Right now it's like, let me try to front run it. So it needs to break that level. And this is on the 1 minute time frame, guys. 1 minute time frame. Just having some fun. You know, if it does come up here, we have another area of possible short. And then more than likely, if it crosses this area, I'll cancel it, because what might be happening, it goes like this, it comes down, now it finds this as support, comes up, and then here we could do a long, and then our level is up here that we need to watch. So let's go ahead and mark this out just to kind of prepare, and we'll do this one a white. Okay, so we are on the 1 minute time frame. Looking at this on the very bottom left hand corner, it's the am I up? Hey, I'm up 2%. Let's go. All right, so that's enough of that. Let's come back over here, and we can still see it on the chart, my active trade, so that is going to be amazing. Let's go ahead and bring this up a little bit. There we go. All right, so this is on the 24-hour time frame. We do have a lot of heat right here at 100.5. 100.5 for the liquidations. The lower liquidation is 100.3. Man, it feels so good to say 100 in the Bitcoin. Feels so good. Now here we do have liquidations up here, 102.3, 102.5, and then so on and so forth. These aren't as hot as the bottom ones. Now that's not saying that this will come down first and then go up. That's not saying that. This is just saying that we have a higher probability that it might come down before it goes up. So that's what all that's saying. Username says, Tracer Joe, your FA, how is your Friday going? Or my FA, my financial advisor. Username cares. Friday's doing good. So happy that it is Friday. Hopefully all of y'all are enjoying y'all's day and making some money. Making money is always good. Losing some money is when we need to go back to the drawing board and see what happened wrong. What was it, just the market? Or maybe we had our stop loss too tight. Maybe we entered prior to our rules. I've done that a few times where it's like, these are my rules. I'm not going to go against it. And it's like, man, it looks too good. I'm not going to wait for the candle to close. I'm just going to go. I go, it starts doing well, and then it comes down. Looking at the candle, if it would have closed, I would have seen not to enter. And it happens to all of us. All right, moving on. Let's see here. I remember a Dutch guy talking about TP at 102. Let's see, Harp says, check out TAI. Let's do it. TAI. Gotta be in an Adam and Eve, or Adam with blue and Eve with pink hair. Ha ha ha. That's funny. I like that. What's going on? All set? So happy everybody's here. The Dusty Hunt. What's going on? We got Cash Oak in the house. Wants to look at Bitcoin Cash, killing it, and Litecoin, absolutely killing it. Definitely, guys, we can do that for you. The Dusty Hunt says, I need a beer. I tell you what, I'm going to be going to a Mexican restaurant. I was going to go earlier, but I was like, man, I'm not going to make it back in time for this stream. I said, let me do the stream, then go eat. Maybe get some beverages. We'll see. We shall see. All right, guys. Hopefully everybody's doing good. See here. I am Charles B. Happy you're here, my friend. Happy you're here. Now, of course, definitely smash the like, guys. Smash the likes. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship. We show you how to trade in the most simplistic way. Now, of course, I have my own channel, Trade Intuition, and I go live Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. I come over here to this channel, Piper Academy Network, and give them some more information on just the basics of how to trade. And that's at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have the scrolling bar up top giving all the other times. Now, the only one that is not live tonight is the 8:30 show. They're only Monday through Thursday, and I don't remember if I put that on the scroll bar. But just to let you know, we have all these shows throughout the day. to ensure that you make the most amount of money and you also learn the most too. So that's very important. All right, moving on. Let's go to the charts. Bitcoin coming down. Yes. Come on, Bitcoin, come down. Now, we went over this earlier on my show, but when the price started coming down, I'm in these charts all day, and I was looking at some coins and noticed it coming down. Okay, no problem. You know, coins are going to retrace. I go to another one, it's also retracing. I go to another one, it's retracing. I'm going to another one, it's retracing. Like, whoa, wait a minute. Something's happening, because it's not just, you know, the coins retracing as they're supposed to, but all these coins are retracing at the same moment. Let me check what Bitcoin's doing. I go and I look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's coming down fast. And I notify, I'm not going to get into the story, but I just let people know that, hey, this is some more than likely, you know, take some profit, move up your stop loss. And sure enough, you know, came all the way down, and then they just slingshot. Now, of course, in hindsight, because we already see and we know what happened, look, guys, this is a long wick reversal. This is what I teach you, and join my course and blah, blah. Be careful with those guys. Be careful with those guys, because this is easy to see after the fact. We have a long wick reversal here, guys. We have another long wick reversal, and look to the upside. Join my group. It's only a long wick reversal because it went up. It would not be a long wick reversal if this is the long wick, if the price did this. This is no longer a long wick reversal, and I guarantee it, because I've seen it time and time again for many people who have paid groups, where when they see this, they'll say, look, guys, we have a low, we have a lower low, they don't mention this. Why? Because it goes against what they trick people into believing. They know, oh, this is definitely a long wick reversal. We don't know until we have, my definition is 3 to 5 candles that create that pivot. The more candles you have, the stronger the case of, yes, long wick reversal, yes, a pivot. Now, the next question that hopefully you're asking, what time frame? You say 3 to 5 candles, like what time frame? Now, this is what I do. What I do is I go into great detail with everything that I say, versus other mentors where they kind of just give you a broad kind of statement, because what they're doing is they're protecting themselves. They're protecting themselves. Now, for me, I want to be accountable. If I say something, it's like, I just want to be accountable. We'll just put it like that. All these other people who, you know, in my opinion, it's much, man, I could say easily. Let's say right here, I could say easily, this is where you want to buy. This is a buy zone. Look how big this zone is. This is a buy zone. And then what happens? It comes in here. Now I can say, look, guys, I called it in my group. Here's a buy zone. We enter the buy zone and look at these gains. Same thing here. Look, guys, it came to the buy zone and it went up. No, like, when do you enter? Because what would have happened if it would have come down? Would you still say the same thing? Nope, sure wouldn't. Be careful, guys. This is my warning. There's a lot of new people that are going to come into the market, and we're going to see a lot of dangerous practices by a lot of people. Some we trust, and some we just met. So be careful. All right, moving on. Let's see here. It looks like username is writing a book. Username says, a beer is best source to get your daily water. It does have water, and it is a diuretic. Meaning you have to, you use the restroom. So it's funny. I would tell my, because of course, long story short, I would tell a doctor, I drink alcohol because it's diuretic. It's going to help with my blood pressure. They're like, no, Joe, no. I said, it's a diuretic. He goes, yes, it's true. I said, and what you need is you need lower pressure on your, and he's like, no, Joe, no. I was like, well, that's my theory. I'm sticking with it. What do you know? You're just a doctor. See, the best way to make money is to listen to my... No. Hey, Joe, can we look at, yes, PYTH. Let me make sure I put this a little bit better so I can read it later. Using a morning up for total dismantling of the bees tomorrow. Yes, guys, definitely smash the like. There's no KYC required for the like button. I think maybe getting in some Pepe if we close above. Oh, nice. Very nice. Harp says, I really hope you guys destroy the ruins. See, very nice. Okay, going down the list. What up, party people? What's going on? Wix Wi-Fi 89. Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate just everybody. Let's see here. Okay, I thought it was frozen for a little bit. All right, let's get on with the show. So Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin went up. Bitcoin gave a huge dump. It would have been pretty scary if it would have come back up here into our zone to come back down. Then, okay, maybe now's the time where it's going to just completely come down. Completely come down and wreck all these longs. Now, this right here this is what the market makers love to do. So many people going long at all-time high. No, worst time. The best time is when it broke this level. Now, granted, it's easy to say in hindsight. This is what I did on my live stream. It's easy to say that. Oh, yeah, you want to enter right here. No. So this would have been the best place. It came up. You don't want to enter long here. You don't want to enter long here. And definitely not in this section. Definitely not. Because you can see it's in a range already. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. You can see it's already forming this range. You know, could it go up? Sure, it could. But definitely have a stop loss underneath this right here. Maybe right here. And then I would again stop down. If I was trying to go long. And oh my gosh, I would not go long. You can also do a trend line here. Break the trend line, maybe sell 50% of your long to see maybe it goes up. If it goes up, you add when it breaks this level. Now notice what I'm suggesting, the teachings. I'm teaching you as if we were in that moment of the trade, what you would want to do, even though we know what happened. Many mentors, look guys, we have a double top. We have a double top here. We have this here. This, join my group. When you're in it, you don't know it's a double top. You see it coming down. Maybe this is going to be a higher high up here, no longer a double top. You only know it's a double top because it already happened. I must stress that, guys. All these patterns are due to the fact that it happened. It's like being a Monday quarterback when the game's on Sunday. You know all the plays already. Here we have our trend line. You can sell 50% here. Once it breaks this zone, you sell the rest of it. And be like, oh, well, I tried to go long, but I couldn't do it. Maybe go short. Because now we can see we're all-time high. Now we see that it's a double top. Now we see that it broke this neckline. Now let's try a short. And if it comes up, I sell some of it, like close my trade. If it comes up here, I sell it again. And okay, now everybody's bullish again. Possibly go long. Right now, we're in uncharted territory, and I'm not saying to flip and flop. Don't flip and flop. Like, all of this is strategic. The reason we would go, well, I wouldn't go long, but the reason we would go short is because all-time high, lots of FOMO. It's in the market maker's best interest to bring the price down. That's why we would go short. It's never flipping and flopping. There always has to be a logical reason for what you're doing. If not, might as well just flip a quarter. You know, you have to be able to see the range. You have to be able to see the trend line. You have to be able to see the moving averages getting lost or gained. There's a lot of things, fair value gaps that may get hit, order blocks that may get hit, all this stuff, and you're not going to know it all at one time. You have to learn one part, do it well, learn the next part, do it well. All these people who are very good traders on the Piper Academy network, period. Excellent traders, excellent traders. Do we lose? Yes. Why? We're trading against people. That's why. All we have is our probabilities of what might happen. So that's one thing that I strongly recommend. I recommend, if you don't have any mentors, if you're not in any groups, start here. Start with the Piper Academy network. Like, there's a Discord, lots of great information. And of course, that's Piper Academy's Discord. I have my own Telegram. Join mine as well. Same with Alex O Crypto. He has a Discord too. Like, what I want to do is I want to surround you with great people that have amazing communities. And the more communities that you're in, the stronger you become, because you're seeing everything that what other people are doing, and it's more knowledge that you're able to soak in. So I strongly recommend take the time, check out the different platforms, the different mentors that you can get by just joining the groups. All right, that's all I got. And everything's in the description. Everything's in the description. Let's see here. We're going to go in a little bit more into Bitcoin in just a moment. Right now, my trade's going down. My trade's going down. I might add to my trade up here. We'll see. How's my trade? Let's go. Let's do this. Nope, wrong one. Dang it. Now y'all guys are hitting me. So now let's go. Oh, this one. Okay. So Blowfin. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. So this is what. Oh, I already have it already. I don't need to worry about it. Okay. I was worried about it's like I need to put that other entry in because it might come up and then do like this. Come up, come down. And if so, great. If not, if it goes up, well then I'll see. Hopefully I'll see it. Oh, isn't that showing? Is it showing? I think it is. Okay. So let's go and continue. Let's continue. Let's see here. So for Bitcoin, do we see anything on Bitcoin? I got to put this lower so that I can actually see my chart. We have a higher high. Looks good on the 15-minute time frame. On the 1 hour high, a lower high. That looks good on the 4 hour. Looks good. Let's see what the chart prime says. Chart prime to the rescue. Let's change our this to gray. Chart prime to the rescue. Chart prime says the 5-minute is bullish, the 15 bullish, 60 is bullish. Every time frame is bullish. Joe, why in the world are you going short? Well, it's a scalp trade. It's just really quick. Come down, come up, make money both ways. So right now, this isn't looking good for me on the 4 hour. This is showing bullish. Let's see here. We're in between these bands. I call them zones, really, for me. Of course, it did come down here, even though we dumped, the chart prime was saying it's still a good trade. It's still good, strong. Expect volatility, expect ups and downs. And sure enough, it bounced over our band, came back up, and the trade is still good. So good for you, chart prime. Good for you. Here we are approaching the overbought territory on the 1 hour time frame, meaning that we could roll over. Now it doesn't necessarily mean that we will. Notice my words. It doesn't say we will. We could. We might. We could potentially start. Here you can see it comes up. It's coming down. I don't like this indicator. This indicator, it does too many false stuff. This is a divergence for many indicators, volume version 3. There's a version 4. Just use version 3. Maybe version 4 is better. But anywhere it says divergence, sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. I don't like that. Talk to me, chart prime. What can we do? Chart prime is saying it's a strong buy on the 1 hour time frame. How about the 15 minutes on the 15-minute chart prime? Save me, chart prime. Save me. Let me know that I made a good decision. So here, it's still green, strong buy right here on the 50. If you don't have chart prime, the link is in the description. It makes trading just a little bit easier. Just giving you a heads up. Now, if you're from my community, use my link on my channel. If you're not from my community, then of course, use the link on this channel. Because whenever you use the link on whatever channel you're on, it does help support that particular channel. Give you a heads up. All right. So here, it's giving us a buy signal. Now, just because it gives us a buy signal, that does not mean to buy. You have to, of course, know all the stuff that we mentioned earlier. Support, resistance, trend lines, fair value gaps, order blocks. There's the strength of the move. There's so many different things. And here we show you this. So here we see that it gives us a buy signals coming up, coming up, coming up. This was a take profit 1, take profit 2, and now starting to curve down. We have this coming down. Thank you. Am I in the money? I'm in the money. 2%. Let's go. And let's see what the 5-minute time frame says. 5 minute. 5 minutes says it's about to come up. Possible reversal coming. So on the 5 minute, it's saying short it. So coming down, looking good. This is coming down, looking good. This started turning green, which kind of is like, might come up. But if it comes up, hopefully it continues going down. And I mean, Bitcoin, just give me some profit. Come on, man. Come on. Come down to here. 101 or 100 period. That'd be great. Just do that for me. I'll be happy. Let's see here. On the 1 minute time frame, what does Chart Prime say? Survey says, Chart Prime says that right now this is coming down, which is good. I like that. We're underneath our dynamic reactors, which is good. I like that. We have it turning red, which is good. I like that. Now, granted, this is on the 1 minute. This can easily change. Easily. We have the sell indicator way up here. And I think this is probably where I entered. Granted, I didn't use this, but it's good to see that it's good to see confluence. Like, this is my thought process. What does this indicator that is, I don't like indicators. I don't know if y'all know me or has been following me for a while. I don't like indicators. Chart Prime changed my thought process. They're an absolute beast. They have some really, really smart people behind them. Really smart. With that being said, like the whole Piper Academy network uses Chart Prime, and they love it. Actually, I can see why too. I mean, just look at this. It's coming down, coming down. We had take profit 1, take profit 2. Max take profit was here when it looked like it was reversing. You know, it's smart. It's saying, hey, it might come up. Let's at least take our money. That's a smart call right there. Then it just started coming down. When you see it come down, you break this level. Okay, maybe enter the trade. Try it again. Right now we are coming down, coming down, coming down, and we're in the money. Notice, I don't remember. Did I enter the trade with y'all? I don't even remember. Let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat if I entered the trade live on air or if that was earlier. I think I did enter the trade with y'all. I've been in and out of this trade on this account and other accounts. I forget. Plus I'm old. I am old. We got Retro Tech Mike in the house. Retro Mike Tech, sorry. I think I put that backwards. Retro Mike Tech in the house. What's going on? Username says, I am Tracer Joe, and I approve that I am. Username's fine. I almost said it. Oh, I'm kind of like Ron Burgundy on this stuff. If it comes up and I click on it, I read it. Sometimes I'm lucky and I'll catch it like, what? No, can't do it. But usually I'm not. Give you a heads up. If you haven't noticed already. Cash Oak says, the alts may have a different growth rate this time around if Bitcoin makes a push for a gold market cap. I think it is already. There was a, let me see. Is it on this one? Dang it, I always do that. Let's go back to this. This one. So I was looking at this. This is crypto market updates December 6th. So that's today. This is saying, let's see here. It was about gold. See, just suggest that it could replace gold in the next decade. See here, 200,000 by the end of 2025. And that's along with my thought process. I'm actually working, and it's so, like, I have this project that I'm doing for my group where I'm talking again, because now we have more information as far as Bitcoin, where it could go, et cetera, et cetera. And I have several projects that I'm doing at the same time. And I still need to get to this because I do believe we're going to go over 200. I could be wrong, but I think we might. Let's see here. There was a thing about gold. See, Phantom Wallet to support the SUI network. Nice. See here, spot Ethereum ETF see a record 431.5 million inflow yesterday, December 5th. Bitcoin is now outperforming gold by the largest margin in history. It's outperforming it. And then, of course, we have Ripple's stablecoin, Cardano's GameFi, and Solana's ETFs are gaining traction. Meanwhile, blah, blah. Yeah. Good stuff. So here's some more information too. All right. Let's go back to my chart. Hey, look at us. We're winning. I'm not sure if you noticed it, but I did not draw any kind of bull flags, bear pennants, especially on the 1 minute time frame, using one candle to talk about a bear pennant or flag. You can't draw that. Anyway, what I do is I use support resistance. Could have gone up? Yep, sure could have. Higher likelihood that it might come down. That's why we took the trade. And we're in the money, guys. Up 12%. We are up 12%. No bull flags here. Just price action. Just price action. So here, do I freak out because it's bouncing off of this and coming up? Nope. Why? Price goes down, price goes up. I want to see this. I want to see a rejection of the 30 SMA. So right now it would be healthy, and I would actually want it to come up, to come back down. And I don't think I'm going to get this entry anymore, but I'm going to leave it here for insurance in case we get a crazy wick come up just to come back down. So I'm going to leave that there. I have a little bit of money left in right now. I am in $20. I'm going to go ahead and put another entry right here in case it does come up to this area of support resistance. And this box actually went a little lower. Need to take off a mag tool. This actually went a little lower to here. So what I want to do is I want to have my entry right here, just inside it, in case if I get a dumb wick. So I think I have to, what do you say, right click? No, I don't want to type all this in. So I gotta type it in. So say okay. So this is my 101 045 101 045. Okay. And then here, I will add, I'm in $21. Let's go 25. Let's go $25. No flags here, no bear pennants, nothing drawn. Just looking at price action. Sell. Yes. 50x leverage. Let's go. And this is just in case we get a come up. And this is what happens. Comes up, comes down. Now, the downside of me entering right now is that it lowers my entry. My entry's here. So by adding to it here, it's going to lower my entry to here. So as soon as if the price comes up and breaks my new lower entry, I'm in the negative. So that's the downside of adding to your entry lower on a short. It lowers your entry. Now, if you're going up, the same thing, you're adding to your entry going up and you're going long, it reduces it changes your price of entry. So now it's higher. So that's bad. But if you're in a long and it comes down and you add to your entry, that's good, because what it does, it lowers your entry so that if it crosses it, you're in profit. Hopefully that made sense. I hope that made sense. Okay, moving on. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. I'm sorry, the 1 minute time frame. We are on the 1 minute time frame. We are underneath our anchor. Is that anchored VWAP? This is our anchored VWAP. Let's go ahead and change this. Let's do it blue, and let's do it a little bit thicker. That way we know for sure. This is our anchored VWAP. So the price action on the 1 hour time, the 1 minute time frame, broke below our anchored VWAP. That's good for a short. We're pretty far away from our 30 SMA, so the price again could come up, and if it does, great. I'm hoping it gets my other entry. If so, even better. Now, excuse me, I don't want to put my entry down here, because then what that'll do is it'll hit it, maybe continue going up, but now my entry is way down here. So that's what I don't want to do. So just look at this for a little bit. Oh man, we got coins we got to do. Let's see here. Bitcoin dominance could go crazy until gold comes down. Yeah, dominance go crazy. Yep. I think there's also upper trend line on the weekly from top. Yeah. Yeah, so I actually have that trend line. Let's go over here. Let's go to my Bitcoin. Let's do a clean chart. Let's go to our weekly. Hey, we got Cash Oak. Oh, wait. Did you? Oh, you signed up on my account. That's why I'm seeing that. I was like, man, I didn't mean to do that. Hey, thank you, Cash Oak. Appreciate you. So anybody who signs up on my YouTube channel, that will show up. So just kind of give you a heads up. You want me to give you a shout out or what have you. So this is from the previous highs in the last cycle. This is our purple. And for that, I'm showing that it was over here. I don't show what you're seeing. I don't know. But this is our major level that it needs to gain support. Okay. Let's see here. Let's look at some charts now. Let's do some whoops. All right, so benefit of being here on the live stream is this is one of my VIP charts. This we enter this trade. We're saying, you know, it could come down, you know, about here because it's a nice pump. Could come down. If it does on a lower time frame, 15-minute time frame, we enter the trade. Of course, our entry will be much lower as far as our percentage loss. This is Link. Link, in my opinion, is the Bitcoin of oracles. Not only that, but it is very strong fundamentals. I strongly recommend you doing some research. This one is good right now. It's moving, making us some money. You know, it broke this level. This was a zone. Broke this level. And it's doing good. I expect it to pull back. I really do. You really don't want it just going straight up, unless you're taking profits. But let us. I have that one saved. So let's change this to the YouTube so you don't see my charts. You don't see my charts. All right. See, 108 could be the tweezer. See, yes, definitely, guys, join the Piper Discord. And if you're a member of the YouTube for Piper Academy, you also have access to a portion of the Discord. So take advantage of that, guys. You're going to be surprised. Yeah, you're going to be really surprised. See here, Tano says, I'm a little bit late, but I'm here. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, going down the list. Let's see here. Litecoin trying to bounce off the MMA. Joe, why don't you get to work? Sorry. Cash, oh, come on, man. Be nice. Be nice to me. Joe, get to work. We're going to get to work. And here we go, guys. We are looking here. Jesse says, LOL. LOL. Mark, did you see that wick liquidation? So many people. Yeah, Jess, it did. It did. All right, so I'm catching up on the chart. I believe I caught everybody up on the chart. So let's go ahead and make some money, guys. My name is Joe. This is Trade Intuition. This is the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy network, where I show you how to use simple support, resistance, trend lines to make money. If that interests you, make sure that you like, comment on all the videos from my channel, from Piper's channel, my channel, of course, Trade Intuition, and make sure to comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, and tell people about the channel and the network. All right, so let's go to the first one. Is TAI USDT. Let's go to Mexi. This is TAR's protocol. I was just talking to my group about this. So for this one, we were saying that it might come down. We were looking for it to come down. If it does, this will be a nice area to enter. Or you can have your alert up here. The 4-hour candle must close above this level. If it closes above the level, you enter the trade. Not financial advice. Alert went off here. We see this 4-hour candle. Would I have entered? Honestly, would I have entered? I'm looking at the previous candles, looking at the size of the candles. Oh, I got to do this. If I don't do this, I'll be on these charts forever. Where is my timer? Countdown. All right, so would I have entered the trade on this one? I'm gonna say yes, because look at these candles. So we enter the trade here, knowing that it could come down here, expecting this now to be our buy zone, and it doesn't come down. Goes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down. We buy the break of this level. And now we enter. Now, of course, none of this is financial advice. Please do not take this as financial advice. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's kind of see what we got. Let's go ahead and clean this chart up a little bit. Take off these squiggles. The squiggles and the squaggles. Get out of here. Also, the price numbers. All right. Man, this one looks so good. It was an accumulation for over 151 days of 130%. Just up and down, up and down, up and down. Of course, lower than that here. It did break out. It doesn't look like it has any room for it to want to come down. It had the opportunity here. Come down a little further before going up. It's absolutely killing it. Zero. Let's see here. Do we have divergence on? No divergence. Looking for divergence on the histogram. It's looking good. We did have this trend line that it broke out of. So that is good. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and put this right here. This is the level that it needs to cross and break above. Right now we have a zone. This is a beautiful zone. So what we can do is we can actually go and have a buy zone. If the coin goes into our buy zone, this will be a really nice area to enter. And if so, then great. We can enter the trade right in here. So what I would do is I would have an alert set right around here. That doesn't mean to enter the trade. That means to set your alert. Once the price action goes underneath the alert, then what you do is use reset your alert, wait for the alert to go off again. That means the price action came up. Now we enter the trade. We're at the bottom, at the discount, at the best price of this range. That's literally what we have. We have a range high, range low, mid range, bingo, and a bango. Put the bingos and bangos in the chat. So we're doing great, guys. We are doing so great. Oh, and we're done with this one. Oh, also do another alert. Do an alert right here. And this is when you would go long. Now, granted, this is not an official call out. Why did I do that? I just hit enter. But this right now, would I enter the trade right now? No, definitely not. Why? It's at resistance. You want to buy at support, or at least on the bottom of the range, or if it breaks out of this. Now, granted, this would be considered the range high, but more than likely the candle will close above this level, which in turn should be above this level. You enter the trade. Bingo and a bango. Put the bingo bangles in the chat, guys. Bingos and a bangos in the chat. We did it under 3 minutes. This is a setup in under 3 minutes when to get alerted. I absolutely love this. So I'm actually going to post this for my group. So let me go ahead and just do this. Just let them know that I am looking at this, and this one is absolutely perfect. I love it. I love it. Oh, you're going to see my group. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me do this really quick. Because I'll just wait. I like that chart. I like that chart a lot. Okay. So the next one is YouTube. So we did the first one. I really like that one. I really do. The next one we're going to do is a Bitcoin Cash. Can we make some money with some Bitcoin Cash? We actually traded this one about a week ago. Made some decent gains, man. That was no joke. Right now, would I enter? No. Why? It's coming down. Would I do a short? Yes. Why? It's coming down. Do I think it's going to go lower? Yes. Why? Because we have this area right here. But let us look at it and make it official with the time of 3 minutes. So looking at this, we're looking at this right here. Of course, let's clean this chart up a lot. Let's delete all of our drawings. 21 drawings down the drain. Now, let's do, what do I want to do? I will do a fib retracement from the high to the absolute low. And for this one, since I did go from high to low instead of low to high, I do the reverse. That way the numbers here are what I use. You may use them differently. Beautiful. Look at this zone right here. Good Lord. And then it finally broke out of the zone. It's up only. So watch out. This one, we close our trade, but man, it would be so healthy if it did come back down. Let's go ahead and make sure our magnet tool is on. Let's go ahead and hide this. Get out of here just for the moment. Let's do a fib retracement tool from the beginning of the move to the current high. Now, granted, it can move. So this is not set in stone. If it continues going up, it'll continue moving this up and these numbers will change. I do want to see this, but the correct way. So let's come over here. Let's go. This is the fib retracement. Let's go to undo the reverse. That way we can see the 382. I would like to see this price action retrace. If this becomes a pivot, we don't know yet until we have more candles that change direction. I would like to see the price action come and do this. Reset on the 382, come back, and then now we can enter the trade. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We do see, let's bring this up again, 1 minute to go. We do see decreasing volume, increasing price, divergence. However, what I teach on my channel, and I'll teach it here as well, is just because we have this divergence does not mean price is coming down. All this means is that there's fewer people willing to pay more money. Hypothetically, eventually you'll run out of the people paying higher money, so then the price should come down. However, let's say people see this and they say, oh, FOMO City, you have room for one more? And they enter FOMO City, they start entering, more people start coming in, volume starts picking up, price continues going up. What happened to your divergence? Done. So that is my thought process on that and my theory on volume. Volume used to be my number one guide until I learned what I just mentioned. It changed completely. So here I do think that we're going to come down. I would definitely have 2 alerts. I'm going to put 1 alert up here and 1 alert down here. Boom, done. Bingo, bango. These are my alerts. And that one was done. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed that thought process. If you did, definitely let me know in the chat that you liked the thought process and that you like these speed rounds. These are the rapid fire rounds. Under 3 minutes, your chart gets a thought process. Let me know if you like that, guys. Let me know if you like that, because I do like having that segment on my channel. I don't know if it's so much for this channel. Let's see here. There was a lot of chats. Let's see here. Going down the list really quick. I may skip some of your stuff, and if I do apologize. Jesse says, do it, Joe, just for fun. Yes. Let's see here. I'm up. Hey, look at me. I'm up on my short. And did I use a 1 minute flag that consists of 1 candle? Nope, because I know how to trade. Not saying the other person doesn't. I'm just saying I know how to trade. Now, I will stop doing that because this is not my channel, and I have to respect the channel. Going down the list. Let's see here. Darren Does Things says, what's good, fam? Appreciate you, man, being here. Definitely, guys, don't forget, smash the like. Smash the like. DDT, bro. I'm not sure. DDT, I don't know what that means. Let's see here. I'm married with Ada. Uh-oh. You better, I'm not saying infidelity is good, but I'm just saying you might want to look at this, younger model. You know what I mean? All right, going down the list. See, Cash Oak says, you the man, brother. Hopefully that was towards me, and I do thank you if that was. See, Jesse says 2.37% daily. That's all it takes, man. Like 2% a day. That's crazy. Compounding, man, that's nuts. That's really good. Let's see here. Going down the list. Crypto Heli says, Joe, late today. Can we check FET today? Yeah, we can put FET. We'll put FET at the end of the list. If it doesn't make it due to the time, crap. Oh, we might be able to. If you want to expedite any of your coins that you do, super chats are appreciated. If not, we will get to them as soon as we can. And no more suggestions, no more requests, please. No more requests because we are like way late. Let's go, TARS. Yes, indeed. See here. I would love me a TARS robots. I want to see more of those AI agents. Like if they could help me, like I don't know nothing. I'm an old man. I need like some hip youngster to, oh yeah, AI agents, they'll do this and this, and they'll help you with your channel, and they'll help, this. I was like, how do I do that? Because man, I need help with my channel. Good Lord. I have amazing content, I think, but I get like 4 views. And then the only one comment I get is, can you help me with my wallet? Here's my seed phrase. Yeah. Poor Joe, poor Trade Intuition. Let's see here, going down the list really quick. BitBoy, if you're referring to BitBoy in the fight, I should have, I put it on my YouTube, but I changed it. But yeah, he's going live today. I don't know what time, maybe right now. I don't even know. See here, yeah, at that stream. Did he, oh, he already done? I'm going to say he lost. The dude was way taller than him. I mean, he had more stout, BitBoy, but I mean, all you need is a jab to the face a few times and like you get discombobulated. So, see here, let's see here what they say. I haven't watched the fight at all because they were offending me. What? How are they offending you? See here, going down the list. Yeah, definitely don't trust anybody. Nobody. Okay, so TARS, aren't they leftovers when you don't wipe? Mark, I gotta look at Mark's name. I gotta see who's commenting and look for Mark before I post it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. The next one is Litecoin. This is gonna be a speed round, very much speed round because we cannot go over our time like we've been doing. We did great yesterday. So countdown has started. Litecoin. What do I see on Litecoin? Litecoin is doing pretty good, making some moves. I do like what I'm seeing. Let's go to the weekly time frame. The reason I'm doing this, excuse me, so that I can get my target or my levels. I go and candle body closes. Make sure this is white. Let's do this other area. We're right underneath resistance. Would I enter the trade? No, definitely not. I would wait for it to break above. I would set an alert. Let's go ahead and take this off. We will go to a lower time frame to further explain this. Set alert. And you might notice that I set up a lot of alerts. Now, the reason I set alerts is because I don't chase trades. I got wrecked by doing so. Now what I do is I let the trades come to me. The alerts go off. I look at it and I see, okay, is this a great opportunity or do I need to wait? Usually I need to wait. And then I'll set another alert and then I'll check to see it again. Do I need to wait? Sure. Okay. I'll set another alert. It goes off again. Okay. Now it's ready. Now this is a great area for it to come back down to. What I would do is I would have an alert up here if the 4-hour candle closes above 150.88. Great. If we, and I think this is going to happen, and I'm actually going to change the color on this one if I can get this to set up. There we go. If we have, let's do this one as a, I guess that color. If the price action breaks below this, and I do think that it will, it needs to have this support bounce. If it does not do this support bounce, we're looking for the pullback. So this color, we'll go ahead and do it, I guess a brighter color. So it needs to bounce here. If it doesn't, and I don't think it will, it'll come down to here. So I would set another alert right around here. And this alert would just let me know that, okay, it broke down. I think it's going to come down a little bit further into our little box. And then, of course, hopefully come up. So this is what I'm thinking might happen. Nobody knows. I'm thinking it's going to come over here, make a lower high, come down to this area, make another lower high, come down pretty quick. Our alert goes off. We get notified. We reset our alert. Watch this, possibly do this. Once it does this number, breaks above this level. And for this one, I would say 4-hour time frame. We enter the trade. Bingo and a bango. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. That is your thought process on this one. Next one, let's do PYTH USDT. For this one, MXC. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our countdown on this. So guys, I strongly recommend, before I put the countdown, if you are not following my channel, I strongly recommend you do so. 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, every single day, Eastern Standard Time. 5 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. I show you how to make money and never trust anybody. Always verify. The stuff that I do, does that work? Or would you rather have a different method? For my method, it's extremely simple. Extremely simple. There's other methods that you can use that are maybe as simple or maybe even simpler. My suggestion, go to a bunch of different places. You know, stay on the Piper Academy network, of course. You know, all these different traders have different styles. Learn from all of us, pick and choose what you like, see what works, and then use that, and then add your own to it. And there you go. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Robert says, all this is just so incredibly intense. It's like leaving the front row on a revival at the good old Baptist church. There you go. There you go. Now, if you want more of that, once again, guys, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, come visit my channel. 5 o'clock Saturday and Sunday, boom. We make money, guys. We make money. And we show you how to do it. Like, there's none of this shielding my group. You know, you want to learn how to trade, then you have to join my group. Or if you want to learn how to trade, you have to join whatever. No. Like, we're showing this to you every single day. You know, the times are up on the top. You know, what is it? 7 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 4 p.m., 8:30 p.m., except on Thursdays, Saturday and Sunday. They just do Monday through Thursday. And then at 11 p.m., like we are showing you. We are showing you. This is what we do, guys. This is what we do. All right, moving on. Okay, so this one is a 3-minute timer. Here we go. Bingo bango. Let's go to this daily time frame. What do we got, Tia? We got some levels. We're right at resistance. We're into the trade. No, why? Because we're at resistance. Beautiful bowl. Oh my gosh. This is just gorgeous. Now, what I would like to see, I think it's going to come down first, but when it does break up, so I'll do a little space. I would like to see something like this, and then moon mission. This right here is when we do the moon mission. Between these two levels. So I'm going to put these levels as yellow. I'm not sure if the moon's yellow, but it's not, I don't want to put gray because, well, we already have that. This is moon mission level right here. Now we have some time before it goes up there. We could do a gigantic cup and handle per se. What do we have over here? Okay. So I'm always talking about Adam and Eve, or how Adam and Eve patterns aren't whatever. Now, if we had more price action here, this would be a perfect Adam and Eve. Perfect. Some people say I'm too strict on my patterns, but look, it came down here. This is our level. Came up. Here's our Eve. Perfect level. Bingo, bango. Here's our neckline to the moon and then some. Oh man, I only have a minute. Sorry. Okay. So this timer really does help me concentrate. So I would like to see the price action come down to here. I don't think it will, but I would like to see it come down to here. Let's go into a box. This would be our buy zone right here. And it's because I use this stuff right here. This will be our buy zone. And I think it's going to come down more than it's going to come up. Just because it'd be really nice. I mean, it could go up. I really don't want to enter here. So if we did, this is an alert. I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have. This is our alert. This is our other alert in case it does come down. Come on, I'm short on time. In case it comes down. And then this right here. So if we do get our alert, 4-hour candle must close. And this is a good area for us to possibly maintain this zone. So this is my thought process here. Alert goes off. If it comes back down, great, but it has to close above at least this for us to enter. Here, I do think we're going to do this first. And then here, what I could do is enter here 50% and then 50% once it does this. 10 seconds to spare. Yeah, buddy. All right. I don't think y'all like the bingo bangles. Only Jesse likes the bingo bangles. Because I'm doing these in under 3 minutes, and I would think that they would deserve a bingo bango. But I don't see any bingo bangles. So I think I'll stop saying that. Joe, it looks like your feelings are hurt. A little bit. Giving y'all some alpha in under 3 minutes. No bingo bangles. Joe, snap out of it. All right. Come on. Let's go. Let's make some money, guys. Let's make some money. No more bingo bangles. Bingo bangles are banned. No more bingo bangles. Let's go over here to, so we looked at this one earlier on my channel, and we were doing this, and let's see here. We were saying that there's one or two things that could happen potentially. We could, come up. If we do, here is our alert. And then this is where we're looking for the decision point to happen. Is it going to bounce up, or is it going to come back down into this possible zone and then eventually break up? If it does break up, great. We're in the trade. We can add to our entry. However, because we have this alert, I mean, we could potentially come down from here or come up and then come down. Oh, speaking of coming down, how am I? 22%. 22%. We're up 22% on our 50x leverage. But I mean, that's kind of boring. I mean, it's 50x. Come on, man. At least let's get 70%. But if it does come down, this is what I'm looking at. Breaking this level, our alerts here, and then coming here. So I do think, I mean, I love pets. There's so many coins that I love, absolutely love. Now, this one was also provided to us the other day. Let us look how this one's doing really quick before we end the show. We are 5 minutes over. We did great, guys. Man, we did great. I thought we were going to do like 20 minutes over. So this one is looking good. We were saying enter here. It's looking good so far. Build up your bags on Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to do this really quick. Last ADA trade went up 106%. Jesse is absolutely killing it every single day. They went calling my mom a cancer. Uh-oh. See here. I'm not sure what that's about. I do apologize for anything that probably happened. Let's see here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Yes, definitely, guys. Bingo bango. We got some bingo bangos in the house. Thank you guys for showing some love. We got some Dave P. Got some from Mark Dutch, from Duality Crypto, from Tano. And what's Flair looking like? If you do a super chat within the next minute, we will look at it. But unfortunately, this is the end of the show. Please put the suggestions earlier at the very beginning of the show. We started 1 hour and 6 minutes ago. We only try to keep it to 1 hour. But if we do get super chats that are asking for charts, of course, we do extend the show. But there's no rush. You can watch me tomorrow on my channel, Trade Intuition, at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We can go over Flare. We can go over XRP. We can go over XLM. We can go over any coins that you want to do. And we show you how to properly do the setups, what to look for, where to put your alerts, because that's the most important thing. Do not chase these trades. Let the trades come to you. By doing so, you're going to be very profitable. We show you how to manage risk. We show you how to strategically set your stop losses and your take profits, and all this for free on YouTube. So with that being said, I don't see anything for a super chat. Now, I do know there is a slight delay, so I will wait for a few more moments, because I would hate for you to send a super chat and then we close the stream. All right, what else can we talk about? We can talk about let's bring up my chart while we're waiting for that. I believe it's this one. Ooh, doggy, look at that. Nice. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. So the price action, man, it came down pretty good. I wasn't even looking at it. Came down pretty good, came up. Now, could it be reversing? Possible. It broke this level. If it breaks above this, I'm going to close my trade. If it breaks below, I wasn't even looking to see, man, that would have been a nice gains right there. So now I'm closing out my, I'm lost. Okay. So this was a lower bid. Okay. And this was another lower bid. I didn't want to close out my actual trade. So right now, the thought process on this is we are just looking. See here, a DK or KD channel. Let me know yes or no, my friend, because I'm actually stalling to wait for your answer. So I'll give you a heads up. So right now, my thought process is it came down, expected, come up, come down, expected, come up, come down, expected, come up, breaking this level, possible reversal. Possible reversal. If I would have seen this and it break above my 30, I would have closed out my trade. But now, since I didn't close out my trade, now I'm waiting to see, okay, is it going to close underneath my 30, I'm sorry, my anchored VWAP. If it does break above it, close out my trade. Right now, I could potentially take half of my profit, and I think I'll do that. I will take half of my profit so y'all can see all this stuff, right? Yeah. So let's bring this a little bit lower. And then that's, I guess, last. And then close. And poof, I did it, guys. I made $2. I made $2. Now I'm also going to move my stop loss since I'm thinking about it. So I'm just going to hover over here, go to stop loss, click and drag, and I want my stop loss right there. So now I have a stop loss that is set. Where is my stop loss? Go to details, click on this. I will make a $1.50. Thank you very much. That'll work. All right, guys. Well, that is it for me. I do believe KD left, and it's okay. You can always join us Monday. You can join us Monday. Let's see here. GJ, take profit. No. Go Joe, take profit. I don't know. Don't know what it means. But not taking profit in case it comes down. In case it comes down and then breaks this level. Now, ooh, I almost said the word. Not going to say that word anymore. Not going to say it. But just in case it breaks this level, then I'm still good. And then finally, it'll go 70%. We'll see. All right. We got Robert in the house. Thank you, man, for being here. All right, guys, that's it for the show. I do thank you so much. We will see you tomorrow on my channel, Trade Intuition, at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday, and back here on Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time around. Be very careful with who you listen to. Never trust anybody, not even me, especially not me. Verify. See if we're teaching works. And ask questions. You'll be surprised at what you find out. Ask questions. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you later on. My name is Joe. This is the TA. This is the Trade Academy with TI, Trade Intuition, on the Piper Academy Network. We'll see you, and let's make this money. Take care.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy Network, the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy, that's where it's at. The Piper Academy Network. We'll see you next time. Take care.